Hi everyone. Welcome to Financial Success Secrets. I'm Alec, and today I'm going to share with you the secret formula to achieving financial success. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for ways to improve your current financial situation, this video is for you. First off, let's define what financial success means. It's not just about having a lot of money, but it's about having the freedom to do what you want with your money. It's about having financial security, being able to afford the things you want and need, and being able to live the life you've always dreamed of. So, what's the secret formula to achieving financial success? It's actually quite simple. It all starts with having a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially. This means setting specific goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Next, it's important to develop good financial habits. This includes things like saving regularly, living within your means, and investing wisely. These habits will help you build a solid financial foundation that will serve you well in the long term. Finally, it's important to stay motivated and stay focused on your goals. This means staying informed about the latest financial news and trends, and being willing to adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. So there you have it, the secret formula to achieving financial success. It's not rocket science, but it does take commitment and hard work. If you're willing to put in the effort, you can achieve financial success and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching.